Welcome to the video presentation on site supervision. A supervisor needs to have the ability to lead, guide, motivate and take on site decisions of his jurisdiction for the team of workers working under him. He must understand the risks and hazards at the workplace and must know how to minimize them. He has to take up the job efficiently and promptly and complete it within the stipulated time. In this video, you will see a supervisor of meter installation team. He has come fully prepared with documents, material, safety tools and tackles. He is very much conscious of safety norms. You can see how he motivates his team and gives instructions. Hello everyone, I am Prakash Jaina, engineer, Tata Power Delhi Distribution Limited. We came here to release a single phase connection and we will do the meter installation. In this van, we have all the equipment we require for meter installation. This is our team including our supervisor, our lineman Kanhaiya and another meter installer. Let us now start our work. We have to install a meter to provide electric connection to this house. This is the physical condition of the pole. Before starting the work, we check the pole with a tester for any current leakage. Here is the LT-ABC line, where the distribution box is fixed on the pole. We can see that the distribution box is not overloaded. There are enough slots are available. When the lineman climbs the pole, first he has to check the condition of the distribution box for any cracks. If any crack is found, work should not be started and he has to inform about it to the engineer. We cannot place the meter near the pipeline. This is because a connection should not be given near water or gas connections from safety point of view. The height of meter has to be maintained. It should be below 6 feet and above 3 feet from the ground level. This is to provide easy access whenever we want to work on it. We will also be able to take readings easily. Now, we need to give the connection to the pole. To do so, our lineman will climb the pole using a ladder. Let us look at the method of setting up the ladder. First, a rubber mat has to be laid on the ground. The helper will hold the ladder when the lineman climbs on it. The rubber mat will protect the helper from any electric shock. While setting up the ladder, we need to place it in the ratio of 1:4. This ratio has to be maintained. This means if the pole is 4 meters in length, the ladder should be placed at a distance of 1 meter from the pole. The angle of the ladder is maintained so that the ladder does not fall backwards. The lineman will now climb the pole wearing full body harness. As the ladder is made of metal, before climbing, the lineman will check the ladder with tester to check that there is no electricity leakage. On testing, the ladder is not showing any leakage. Hence, the lineman will now climb the pole. Now you can see the lineman climbing the ladder using the full body harness and double line harness. After the lineman reaches the top of the ladder, he will hook the double line harness to a support at the top for protection from falling. There is a rope at the top of the ladder. After the lineman climbs to the top, he will tie the rope to the pole. This ensures that the ladder will not slip. This provides safety to the lineman working on the ladder. Let us see how the supervisors are monitoring the underground cable laying process. Greetings, my name is Virendra. I am a supervisor. Here I am supervising trenchless cable laying. Today we will see how to lay 11 kV HT cable by trenchless technique. We have attached the cable with the drum jack and the drum is turned upwards. With the help of these rollers, we will move the cable up to the pit. At the tip of the cable, a Chinese finger is placed. Below that, at the bottom is the rod for pulling the pipe. To this rod, the Chinese finger is attached. We will pull the cable with the help of a D-clamp. This is the test pit of a cable trench. You can see that the depth is more than 1 meter. As per standard regulations, the depth should be more than 1 meter for HT cable. Going forward, the depth increases further to 1.5 to 2 meters. Also, where this cable exists, the depth should be more than 1 meter. In the middle, the depth would be between 1.5 to 2 meters. We will now start pulling the cable. Cable pulling has been started now. The crew members are placing additional roller stools. Helpers are pulling the cable from the drum so that there is no pressure on cable. If the cable is loose, it will go inside smoothly and easily. This is a 3 by 400 square mm 11 kV HT cable drum, which is now empty. The HT cable feeder is around 2 to 2.5 kilometers, while the cable supplied in the drum has a length of generally up to 250 to 300 meters. Therefore, many joints are required in this cable to complete the feeder. We need to prepare an XLPE joint. For this, extra digging is going on here to accommodate the jointing process. After digging is done, we need to joint both the cable ends to ensure cable continuity. Greetings. I am Devraj Kondal, Assistant Manager, BSES Rajdhani Power Limited. Today, we are here to lay an 11 kV HT 3-core 300 square mm cable. The trench for double circuit is excavated, and here you can see both the circuits are running parallel in the trench. Between the two cables running parallel, a minimum distance equivalent to the diameter of cable is maintained. You can see here that the distance is being maintained and brick padding is being provided for maintaining proper clearance. You can see the depth of the trench is maintained at 1.05 meters as per measurement. The width of trench is 140 cm, which is properly maintained. Before laying the cable, a cushion of 75 mm or 3 inches of sand is provided. After laying the cable, 3 inches of sand is again filled over the cable and then docketing with brick is done. In this video presentation, we have learnt about site supervision. In the first part, you have noticed the instructions issued towards standard procedure to mount ladder, safety norms, regulatory compliance to install energy meter. Similarly, in second, you have seen how the supervisors are monitoring the underground cable laying process.